In a controversial move that has raised eyebrows, Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa has unveiled a $166,000 War Veterans Fund in Masvingo province. The gesture may see as an attempt to show up support from war veterans as the angles to remain in power beyond the constitutional limits. Zanabna mashoko atokona kuti panapa aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yezimbabwe uye achibribe war veterans with cash ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa panapa kupiwa kwawo kutoita cash kukumbira support kuti vasupport his agenda. Zanabna mashoko anodanyirwa panapa ningosubscribe olaika kuti on the bell icon. Tipina musimbira kudanyira chiti the fund launched in Chivi district includes a $150,000 allocation directed towards the War Veterans Fund, an $11,400 non-refundable grant for war veterans, and an additional $5,000 designated for UBV, United Brotherhood of Veterans members. This initiative is part of a broader strategy that will be rolled out across all 10 provinces, with the Harare and Mashonaland East already benefiting from the program. In the words of a ZANU-PF source who spoke on the condition of anonymity, the fund allocations include $150,000 directed towards the War Veterans Fund, $11,400 non-fundable grant for war veterans, and $5,000 for UBV members. This program will be rolled out in all 10 provinces, with the Harare and Mashonaland East already benefiting from the initiative. Ndio mashoko panapa ari kubuda from this source tiri kuexposewa nevakopana vezimu ai. Panapa tiri kuona kuti panapa vakomana zvavaita coincidence chaiyo kuti vanhu vakuagiwa manje kuti why is it more veterans akureceiva this funding panguva yatakuona kuti vajamuka havachadi vaneta. Panapa zvava critical kuti vako veterans vacharamba vakajamuka kana kuti vachaplaya according kune zvavapo izvezvi kuti zvavapiwa mazakwatira emari vakunyarara. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kana comment section medu. So now subscribe or like, don't on the bell icon.